Well, batch 1, just slightly brown as I said. Come out of the oven when they start changing colour. It's got a ring of brown where it was sitting on the pan, which is an interesting bit of physics. As you can see, there are a few splits in it, and where it had a seam line up the side, the line is still there, it's sort of bridged and sort of stretched. Two that I've tried to cut up, they're falling to pieces. I've eaten the pieces that fell off this, very tasty, still moist, not really as fluffed up as I'd like. It's got a very cakey texture there. So, something wrong. It occurs to me when I try to make brown bread, wholemeal flour, whole wheat flour turns out to be brick flour. So I have 2 more batches here. I have 2 more batches of yeast warming up, and as you can see there's plenty of balm on top of each of them. That's 100 ml of water rather than 50, and I have 150 ml of cream rather than 200 in each bowl of flour. On your left, the same mix, 300 grams of strong white and 200 grams of wholemeal rye. On the right I have 400 grams of strong white, 100 grams of wholemeal rye. So less of the wholemeal flour, more of the bread flour. Maybe it'll do better. If I can get them both on screen, you may be able to see the one on the left, more of a grey colour, the one on the right, paler and slightly more yellow colour, because of the difference in flour mixtures. So I'm going to mix all of this water and yeast and sugar and foam, lots of foam, starting to smell like a brewery in here, into them and form some more buns and see whether the buns are any larger than that.